Where could you make money even when the world seems to have gone to hell in a handbasket this year? 2020 was a shocker. What a terrible year. If you were driving an Uber or working in retail, had to deal with the healthcare side of things, were involved in tourism, then it was a tough one for you. But there is one area that's been booming while everything else has been really struggling. And it's been making everyday people like you or I, from limited to what you can earn in your day job, to able to earn an income stream from home online. And that trend is e-commerce. So just look at these incredible numbers. Since the start of the pandemic, e-commerce sales are growing at 500% faster right now than they were predicted, and Amazon is the top of the game here, making over $1,000 a minute. They've been hiring a new worker every 31 seconds to keep up with demand for products selling through the platform, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. There's a huge wave just forming now of people shopping online. And experts are predicting that because of the convenience and the confidence of shopping online, it's not going to go backwards either. This is the future of shopping. If you want to know more about how to capitalize on this, then check out my new book, all about finding that first product that you can sell on Amazon. We give you lots of examples of what's selling, how to play the Amazon game and win in the post-pandemic days, and how Amazon's booming while everything else is crashing, and you can choose the right products to sell for profit on the Amazon platform. So jump on it now, grab the book. The opportunity is so red hot at the moment, you won't want to miss this, so grab your copy of the book now.